Nature hides its greatest stories where few have ever looked. Deep within this untouched wilderness lies a canyon the world has never seen, carved not by time alone, but by disaster. A sudden force reshaped solid rock, opening a hidden passage where water now whispers through stone. This is a journey through narrow rock walls, over ancient paths, and beside a chain of secret waterfalls, each one smaller, quieter, and more magical than the last. What was once chaos has become breathtaking beauty. Today, we hike into the unknown, to uncover an unseen rock-formed canyon, a hidden waterfall sanctuary, and the powerful story nature left behind. Hello everyone, and welcome to Paradise in My Eyes. This is one of the quiet miracles left behind by Cyclone Ditwah. While water and earth slips changed the landscape around it, this Hindu temple remained untouched. But today, our focus is not this Hindu temple. Instead, we climb through a landslide-formed stream to reveal an upcoming hike. A powerful new tourist attraction shaped by the force of Cyclone Ditwah. Now I stand above the Hindu temple. Below me, an enormous flow of water rushed through this landscape. Despite this powerful force, this place endured. That is why I call this a miracle. Today, I will not share or display the exact location. This area is still not suitable for hiking. The entire region remains unstable, with severe natural hazards. I promise to share the location in the coming months, once the area becomes safe and stable. My friend Neerdoshan and our guide and naturalist, Mr. Lalith, have joined me for today's adventure. Let's start our hike. This is the normal stream flowing through this area. As you can see, it naturally divides into two smaller streams. The area marked in red is the Hindu temple. On that day, in what can only be described as a miracle, a massive volume of water, moving at high speed, split into two separate flows and rushed downstream, without causing any harm to the Hindu temple. I have discovered yet another incredible miracle along this stream. This is the Bulithwafa ancient rock temple, with its ancient image house built by King Wulagomba. As the water surged through this area, it gained even more volume and velocity than upstream. You can see the flow heading straight toward the image house. Yet, miraculously, it swerved in a sudden, sharp bend, leaving everything untouched. All the Buddha statues remained safe, protected even from mud and water. A true miracle. What is this? Why did it happen? Even modern science is left speechless by such phenomena. This is the unseen spirit of Sri Lanka, undeniable, unexplainable, and awe-inspiring. Let's continue a journey toward Nilmini Falls, starting from where we left off. These rocks were sculpted by the cyclone itself. To move forward, we must climb across this rugged terrain. What you are seeing now is a landslide zone. A large section of this tea estate has been completely washed away. Here, we can see a section of forest that has been completely destroyed by landslides. Let's climb up and continue our adventure. The stream carves its way through the rocks, creating a hidden, breathtaking beauty in the area. Despite the powerful flow of water, this massive banyan tree remains untouched, offering its enduring shade. Here, a cluster of small waterfalls creates a hidden oasis of freshness, calming both the mind and soul amidst the serene silence. Here lies a brand new waterfall, created by Cyclone Ditwah itself. Let's go forward and explore it up close. All the beauty you see here was born from nature, sculpted by Cyclone Ditwah. Even in disaster, the earth reveals hidden angles of wonder. Let's meet again in the next video to explore the upper reaches. Behold, this is paradise in my eyes.